Time for a technical update on the markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, it faced resistance at 6730 on the upside and traded in a volatile manner during the day. It held onto the 20-hour moving average placed at 6689 and ended the day with a 16-point gain on the Nifty. IT stocks like Infosys, Wipro and TCS were some of the movers today, while the banking stocks like SBI and State Bank, ICICI Bank and State Bank of India were some of the laggards today. The advance decline ratio for the day was positive with 855 advances to 591 declines. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that Nifty is trading along the daily upper Bollinger Band, and it is facing resistance at 6730. 6730 is a crucial resistance which needs to be crossed, and if we see Nifty trading above 6730, then we can expect higher targets of 6770 on the upside. The daily momentum indicator also has a positive crossover, which indicates that the rally on the upside can continue. Now moving on to the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty has been holding the 20-hour moving average, which is placed as 6689 and has been trading with a positive bias. It is trading above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed at 6689 and 6654. So these two levels will be the crucial levels if the Nifty has to continue its rally on the upside. Now moving on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has a very interesting chart. Today it has given a closing below this upward sloping support trend line, which indicates that we might see some selling pressure in banking stocks in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator also has a negative crossover, so the price action is in sync with the momentum, and if the low of today, that is 12,509, is breached on the downside tomorrow, then we can see Bank Nifty slipping to 12,160. 12,160 is the 20-day simple moving average, which is also a crucial support for Bank Nifty. And crucial resistances for Bank Nifty on the upside are placed at 12,869, which is the high it touched in the penultimate trading session, and above that 13,000, which is the daily upper Bollinger Band. Overall, a view on the Nifty remains positive for a target of 6770 on the upside. That's all for today. Thank you.